Warning, the following trailer has explicit content and intense thematic elements. Individuals with PTSD may be triggered. What you thought was innocuous is tearing at the fiber of all I trust. Don't talk to me about fight or flight. I'm fighting for my life tonight. I'm tired of these bells. They're ringing in my ears. They keep screaming about my future, and it seems unclear. If I could just show you what's happening in my head, words could not describe it. Nothing could be said. I'm so angry, I can't control what I'm saying. So don't hold it against me, because tomorrow I'll be paying for these words that keep spewing from my mouth, creating my own battleground. Who am I, north or south? Anger turns to isolation. I'll flip it like a switch. There's a fire burning inside my head. It's a scratch that I can't itch. There's a movie playing in my head none of y'all can see. It's rated R for adult content, not even suitable for me. Since I can't show you the invisible, let me paint you a picture. Imagine a quote-unquote normal person, full of life and adventure. Then the unexpected happens, something anyone could predict. Trauma reaches out its ugly hand, then mental anguish wraps its grip. All safety and security go out in a blaze of glory. I'm not finished, not close to being done. No, that's not nearly the end of the story. If I could beg you to do just one thing for me, grab your phone, Google 4 letters, P.T.S.D.